Hey, what's up everyone? My name is John Armstrong. I'd like to welcome you to the launch party of ReddifyAI. Now, in this video, we've got a few things to cover. Mainly, we're going to be revealing our brand new legendary breakthrough ReddifyAI app, which is going to siphon free, targeted, intent, warm leads from Reddit to wherever you want this to go. And this is really the lifeblood of any business. So if you're into affiliate marketing, obviously you need a product to sell that's somebody else's because you're an affiliate for it, but you need good quality traffic. And that's where ReddifyAI comes in. You could get good quality traffic from paid ads, but the problem with paid ads, as we'll talk about in just a second, is the prices are getting a lot higher. And the CPLs, the CPAs, and all the metrics are getting a lot more expensive as well. With ReddifyAI, it's the same quality, good quality, intent traffic, intent being the main word here, because the difference between Reddit and these other platforms is people that go to Reddit, they're actively looking for solutions to a problem, which means they have intent behind it. And if you come in there with your solution, be it your own product, an affiliate product, or you're an offline business, whatever it is, if you have a solution to their problem, they are ready to get in touch with you about your solution. That's the difference between regular traffic, free traffic that you might get from places like Instagram or Facebook, which is not necessarily intent traffic, and pure warm intent traffic that you can get from Reddit. Okay, so if you are an affiliate marketer, you can definitely use this good quality free traffic. If you are an Amazon affiliate, excuse me, I've got a bit of a cold, you can also use this good quality free traffic to send to different Amazon products that would provide a solution to people's problems too. If you're a local business and you're looking for more customers to come to your local business, if you're a plumber, you're a roofer, you're a landscaper, whatever it might be, then this is going to help you out as well. If you're a lawyer, chiropractor, whatever it is, this quality intent traffic is going to help out your business as well. If you sell a service, okay, if you offer services, obviously that's the solution that people on Reddit are going to be looking for as well. So on this launch party video, we're going to be showing you inside the members area. I've also got my developer Mahmoud here with me on this call. So we're going to be talking, he's going to be showing you around the members area. And I'm also going to be talking about the benefits of this. I'm also going to be giving away a free copy of ReddifyAI. So we'll have one or a couple of lucky winners that will win a free copy of this. I'm also going to be giving you massive discounts on this video. These are not going to be available outside of this launch party video that you're watching right now. So stay tuned for those discounts. We're going to be giving you a detailed walkthrough, and the cart is going to be opening pretty shortly at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let's get this party going until 11 a.m. when the cart is going to open, and you'll be able to take advantage of these massive discounts that we're going to give you on this call right now. So, like I talked about just before, every single business, be it an offline business, an online business, or whether you're just a solo entrepreneur, everybody needs traffic, okay? Most people, myself included, go to places like Facebook ads, which Facebook also owns Instagram, or YouTube, Google ads. That's something that I've made millions of dollars with. I usually go to those kind of places to get quick, free, well, not free, sorry, quick, quality, intent-driven traffic. The problem is that the past couple of years, YouTube ads isn't working like it used to do. Okay, they also have what's called YouTube Premium nowadays, which if you are a YouTube Premium member, you no longer see any ads. And the problem with that is, from an advertiser's point of view, especially if you're trying to sell something high ticket, the people that have money have YouTube Premium. They've bought YouTube Premium, myself included. I no longer see any ads because I've got YouTube Premium, and that's a subscription service. So that has killed high ticket affiliate marketing or high ticket marketing on YouTube ads, which is a shame. So you're only really left with Facebook ads, where they ban you They disapprove your ads. It's very difficult to scale. You've got to be constantly making new creatives every single week because of the new algorithm updates that they've got inside of Facebook ads. They're pushing, it's a real creative driven platform now. You can't just make 10 ads and then 2 of them will pop and then 2 of them you'll be able to run it for the next 6 months. That's not how it works anymore on Facebook ads. You've got to consistently churn out new videos, new content, new ads every single week, and it's a massive pain in the ass. So, also, SEO, the search engine optimization algorithm, if you're trying to get free traffic from Google, it is constantly changing, constantly updating. You might do well this month if you try and rank your websites using backlinks, using articles, blogging. That might work. It might get you to the first page of Google, but then next month, they'll introduce a new update in Google and you'll be back on page 6 or page 7 and nobody will ever see it. Now, the good thing about Reddit is Google has started pushing Reddit content. Google has recently changed direction in their algorithm, and what they're doing now is they're ranking user-driven content, which is what Reddit's all about. Okay, it's all user-driven content, and because of that, if you type in a particular problem or a search keyword into Google, you'll have probably noticed this. On the front page, on the first page of Google, there's a lot of Reddit entries on that front page. And that's because Google is pushing this. So if you get onto Reddit with your solution to somebody's problem, it will not only get pushed out on the Reddit platform itself, which, by the way, is now bigger than Wikipedia and Amazon combined. Is one of the fastest growing platforms in the US right now, and it's bigger than Wikipedia and Amazon combined. But if you put out your post on Reddit, it will not only get featured on this huge platform, but because Google is now favoring user-driven content, it will also get put on the first page of Google. So you're killing 2 birds with 1 stone. You're getting search engine optimization in there, plus you're getting this pushed out for free on one of the largest up-and-coming platforms in the universe right now, which is Reddit. Reddit is actually the number 3 website in the US right now. Okay, so if you were to go and do this manually, that would be a bit of a mission. And that's why not many people are, not many business owners, not many entrepreneurs are really utilizing Reddit the way that they could be. Because in order to do it without Reddify AI, you would have to go and create a post manually. You'd have to go and search through all of these Reddits and all of these subreddits to go and look for specific problems that people have so that you can go and offer your solution in that subreddit or in that Reddit, okay? And that takes a lot of manual work, scrolling through and searching through all this content so that you can try and find somebody that has a problem that you can offer a solution to with your service or your affiliate program or your product or your offline business. That's time consuming. And then you have to go and direct message these people, and you have to wait for them to reply, and that also takes time. That's something that we can do on autopilot with Reddify AI, and that's why this is such a game changer. So also, if you're trying to do this manually, you do run the risk of getting banned if you don't do it the correct way, and that's why Reddify AI comes pre-set up with all of these safeguards to make sure that your posts don't get banned if you are using Reddify AI. Because of the wording, yes, it is using AI, but it's using AI in a way that it does sound human, and it bypasses all of their spam filters, it bypasses all of their blacklisting and their banning filters as well. This is a software that we've created from the ground up to use ourselves. So we've really refined this so that we could actually take advantage of this traffic ourselves in our business, right? We're now releasing this and letting the cat out of the bag for the world to use, because we've been battle testing this for just over a year and we've been refining it as well. So now it's your chance to get your hands on this free intent traffic generating machine. So Reddify, it will do automated searches. So instead of you having to go through and manually go and search through all these different Reddits to find people that have problems that you can offer a solution for, you simply type in the type of solution that you have to offer, and ReddifyAI will do all the searching for you, and it will find people that are on Reddit that have the problem that you have the solution for, and it will automatically go and post on their problems. It will also go and follow up on their problems. It will then go and direct message these people individually saying, hey, I found you on Reddit. I've got a solution to your issue. You can click here. And then that link will take them to whatever solution that you're offering, be that an affiliate program or an offline business or whatever it might be. And all of this is automated, even the lead capture, the follow-ups. So basically what it is doing is it is generating you warm leads on complete autopilot. Now, this is the dashboard right here. This is what the software actually looks like. It is all completely cloud-based. There's nothing to download to your computer. But instead of me going through and showing you exactly how this works bit by bit, I've got my developer with me, Mahmoud, who's going to jump in here and show you exactly what you get inside of the ReddifyAI platform and how it can help your business. So I'm going to hand this over to Mahmoud right now. Here you go.
Thanks, Jono. Hi, everyone. I'm Mahmoud, the developer behind ReddifyAI. I've spent many months building this because I saw firsthand how powerful Reddit traffic can be, but also how painfully time-consuming it is to do manually. Now, let me break down exactly how this works in 4 simple steps. Step 1, you create a campaign, you pick your niche, and then you let our AI generate an engaging Reddit post. Something like how I flipped websites for $15,000 with no capital. You know, the kind of post that gets people commenting and asking questions. Whether you're promoting as an affiliate or you have your own offer, anything works. And then you also let AI find the right subreddit to post it. So basically here our AI is doing all the work for you. You're just telling it what it is you want to promote or what it is you're selling. Step 2, schedule it or post it immediately. The app publishes directly to Reddit for you. We even have peak time scheduling that posts when, well, most Redditors are active. Step 3, ReddifyAI tracks every comment on your post in real time. Someone comments asking how you did it or that they're interested in what you're offering, we capture all of that. Step 4, auto DM. Here's where the magic happens, guys. Everyone who comments gets a personalized DM with your free guide or offer link automatically while you sleep. All right, this is your Reddify AI dashboard, or what we call Start Here, uh, from which you can access from the menu. And right at the top, you can see your daily stats, the posts, the comments, the DM sent, and the leads. You also have a nice little notification bell here that reminds you that you have some DMs to look over, because for some campaigns I've configured that I want a manual DM queue, so I want to be able to approve any DMs that go out before they actually go out. So basically all I have to do is just click on this and approve all those DMs that are in the queue, and the system will take care of the rest for me. Anyways, you've got your credits displayed here. You've got all these action buttons. a new campaign, to create a new campaign. You schedule posts to see a nice little calendar while you schedule posts. You can train AI agents based on viral posts that you find on Reddit. And platform setup is where you connect your Reddit account. So the first thing that you want to do when you use Reddify AI is connect your Reddit account. So all you have to do for that is just go into platform setup and click connect with Reddit. That's it. You authorize it and it's connected. It takes a couple of seconds. When you've connected your Reddit account, the next step is to create a new campaign, which you can do from the button new campaign. You give your campaign a name. This is all internal. And basically also helps the AI understand what it is you're kind of selling or promoting. And for example, it could be, entrepreneurship or weight loss or whatever it is. You just type it in uh, based on the niche you're promoting, basically. Now, here's something cool. You don't have to have a product, because see this link over here? These are done for you high ticket affiliate offers built right into Reddify AI. And these are proven products that actually convert at the prices that they're listed at. So as you can see, we have Insignia, which sells for $2,497, and Product Dino $997, and the rest of the offers here. And all those are proven high converting products. So you don't have to have a product. There are already products bundled into Reddify AI for you to use and make high ticket commissions from. And we have also training on how to access these products and get the links for them, so you can get to promoting them immediately when setting up Reddify AI. Now, if we filled out all these things over here, all these fields, if we have an opt-in page created with the opt-in pages, which we will go through later, we can also select our opt-in page if we want to connect it to our campaign. We can also describe our target audience. It could be anything, internet marketers. And we scroll down over here, and we have a few options. If you're using one of the high ticket offers, we have some pre-filled offer templates for you to use based on the product that you're promoting. You can also ask AI to rewrite those for you, so that you don't have to write it yourself or rewrite it yourself. We can also use our viral AI agents if we've trained those. Or we can just click AI generate based on whatever we have filled in here. It will try to come up with something for our posts. We can also do that for the post description. Watch as I'll click AI Gen on the post description and the post title. And also, we have a target subreddit finder, which basically we can ask AI to suggest subreddits that are fitting for this niche that we're using here. So basically, we're getting all the help we need from AI here, and we're not trying to come up with anything by ourselves if we don't want to, or if we don't have that kind of knowledge on Reddit. So as you can see, the AI comes up with a post title for us. It comes up with a post description, and we also get a few suggestions for the subreddits. In this case, we have flipping. As you can see, we have web dev, all sorts of stuff. You can also check the community here, make sure we see like you can see how many members and what kind of post types that are allowed. Usually the most normal thing is the text posts. Moving on, we have the automation settings. And from here, you can either enable auto DM, which basically is fully automated. Somebody comments, and the system sends out the DM to them based on the delays that we have here, 15 minutes or 5 minutes in between DMs, etc. And we also have the manual DM queue, and this is what I like personally because I like to kind of have some supervision over the DMs that are going out and some, as much human interaction as possible with it, and just be in total control basically, and just allow whatever I want to allow. And I recommend this. This is what I personally like. And in this case, the DMs get queued. You see them in a nice dashboard, and you get this nice notification bell, reminds you which campaign has some DMs in the queue. You go into that page, and I can show you really quickly how that looks from this notification bar here. As you can see, this is kind of the manual DM queue. This is what it looks like. You can see the pending DMs, interested, interested, interested. And a lot of these people just want the guide that I'm offering. And we also have a nice little auto reply to the comments feature here for the manual DM queue, which means it will automatically reply to the comments after it sends out the DM, just to remind them that, hey, the guide is in your DMs. Make sure to check your DMs. We also have an export leads button here in case we want to do export and export. So it's basically just to stay in total control, stay compliant as much as possible, and just skip, maybe a DM that just, from someone that maybe just left a troll comment, just to have that total control and be, on top of it. We also have a smart DM variation feature here. And instead of sending the exact same message to everyone, the system randomly picks from multiple templates that you can also ask AI to generate for you, um, based on what you've entered here, of course. And the system will randomly pick from those multiple templates and send out to each user, so they're not getting the same message. Basically helps avoid spam flags, like sending the same message to multiple users might look a little bit sketchy. And basically what this placeholder is here is whatever you have selected here. So if you have created an opt-in page with ReddifyAI and you click this and you select it over here, this opt-in link placeholder will be the link to this page. So if you're not using this, again, you're going to have to enter a different link here. Okay. Moving on, we're going to show you the AI agents feature, which is really super, super cool, because with this, you don't have to actually figure out what works and what doesn't. All you have to do is just go to Reddit, go to your target subreddits, and look at the top posts. Copy those links and you paste them over here, just like I've done with these two agents, and you train that agent, and then you can use that agent in the campaign to create similar viral posts in the same consistent style. And that is a really, really good feature for those who want to use it. And obviously, we have, you know, uh, a way to schedule posts. We don't have to publish posts immediately. And, well, it's totally up to you what you want to do. If you want to post it immediately, you can post it. If you want to, you can enable it for scheduling. You can enable peak posting time, and the AI will pick the optimal time for maximum visibility, um, with when basically Redditors are most active. This is uh, basically some of the core features within Reddify AI. We also have a subreddit DB right here, which is a curated list, as it's explained here, of free unmoderated subreddits where you can promote your content and run campaigns. Some of these, or most of these, are generally more open to self promotion and lead generation posts. So if you go to any of these subreddits and you check out, basically, you can instantly see that a lot of people here are promoting. These guys are pretty much promoting all of these guys, and look at the traction they're getting. The comments, a lot of these people just want whatever this guy's offering, and I bet most of these guys are either hiring people to post for them or they're doing all of this manually. Well, you don't have to do that because you have Reddify AI. You can do the same thing, but fully automated, and you don't have to put any links in the posts. You can do that through the DMs. Anyways, we also have the opt-in pages, the built-in opt-in pages here. You can create small lead magnets with this if you want. If you don't have an opt-in page builder, it's pretty simple. There's training for this. Basically, just select your style, the name, the URL, and the delivery, and then basically your autoresponder with the API key. And then you create it. It could basically look like this. Now I've added a lot of HTML tags, so mine looks a bit different. And basically, with an opt-in page, you can get a lot more analytics on your campaigns when you connect that opt-in page. If you connect one to a campaign, then it will track all the leads that are signing up through your campaign on your opt-in page. It will give you more statistics on the campaign page. This is basically the core system of Reddify AI. Basically, campaign creation, AI content, smart targeting, automated DMs, and lead capture. As you can see, I've used this myself so much to promote other products, to promote my own products. 176 DMs sent on this part, 173 on this, 13 on this. I've done some promotions for other affiliates and their products. 143 DMs here. Still getting a lot of DMs in the queue for this one. Just an older campaign, but it's gotten, I guess, it's gotten somewhere ranked that it just keeps getting a lot of people that are interested, and we like that. All right, let's do this live. Say you're promoting a high ticket affiliate offer, and lucky for you, we have a few of those bundled with Reddify AI. And not just a few, these are actually proven and highly converting affiliate offers that are available for Reddify AI users. Let's say we're going to go with the 7-figure accelerator here, which is worth around $4,000, and we get paid at 50% commission, which means we can make around $2,000. Plus, it's a product that is part of a sales funnel, which includes up to 28 other products. This means if any of those products convert, we get paid on that as well. So what we want from here is our affiliate link. If you already made an account on JVZoo, just request our affiliate link here and copy it. We also have some training here in case you don't know how to do that. And we're going to go back to start here, and then we're going to click new campaign, and then we're going to call our campaign the 7-figure accelerator. We're going to target online business, and we're going to call it the 7-figure accelerator training. And we're going to go scroll down. We have some options here. Either we use the viral trained AI agents, if we have any of those that are related to this. And then we can generate our post with AI, or we can basically select a pre-filled high ticket offer template that is related to our high ticket offer. We can also ask AI to rewrite those for us so we're not using the same message throughout. And now we're waiting for it to rewrite the post description. The title was much faster. There we go. And then we're going to also ask AI to suggest some relevant subreddits. Let's say side project. And now, just going to make sure how many members. 600,000 members. That's pretty good. Now, some subreddits have this thing called post flare, which means it's like a category, basically categorizing your post. If it's a question, or is it a success story, or if it's self-promotion, then you have to categorize what it is you're posting. In this case, the subreddit doesn't have any of those flares that Reddit calls it. So we're just going to move on to the automation settings. For the DMs, well, this is we're gonna do the manual DM queue, which I like. You don't have to do it; it's totally up to you. And we're gonna paste our link in the DM message here instead of the opt-in link because we don't have a connected opt-in page here. We can add smart DM variation if we want to. In this case, I'm not going to. And then we just click create campaign. That is how fast this is. Now you have your campaign over here. Okay. And to decide what you want to do, this is not posted on Reddit yet. So you have to decide what you want to do with this by going into the post itself. I can click the pen button here, the edit button. And right here, you can decide if you want to schedule this or if you want to publish it now. Let's go ahead and schedule this for tomorrow, Friday, and I don't know, let's say peak posting times tomorrow. Okay. So now I'm asking the system to pick a peak posting time for tomorrow. I don't want to put a lot of thought into when to post this. So I'm just going to let the system decide that, and I'm going to save the schedule, and boom. Now we have this ready. When this goes live, we can see the schedule here from the start here page. We can see that we have a post scheduled at 12:53 p.m. This is probably UTC time. So it's already scheduled a post for us at a particular time. And basically, when this post goes live, people will comment asking about the coaching program or how I'm doing this. And the DMs are going to queue up. I'm going to approve all the DMs. And then we're going to have basically one-on-one conversation with people who want what we're selling. So the link is going to be dropped in their DMs. They're going to be able to access it and click on it. And you know what? If we send out 50 DMs or 100 DMs and only one of them converts, then that's $2,000 from a free Reddit post. Do that twice a month, and you've got a serious income in your hands. Now, let's flip it. You're a local plumber, or you're doing marketing for one. We can also use that in Reddify AI. by clicking on New Campaign. We have a little checkbox here called Local Business Mode. This will be available for everybody, by the way. And we're just going to fill in Chicago plumber leads for this campaign. We're going to call our company Chicago Plumbers. Also, the niche is going to be Chicago Plumber Services. Okay. Now, we're going to go down here. Going to ask AI to generate a post title for us and a post description. While it's working that, I'm going to go over to the DM here, make sure that let's see their call. Let's replace this with our company name or the customer's company name, and let's do here's their contact, and then we put a number here. Okay, and we got some post titles. Found an amazing plumber in Logan Square who fixed my basement leak the same day. Now, we're going to ask it to suggest subreddits for us where this is like appropriate to post, basically. And it's going to make more sense if we're posting in a Chicago-based. We're going to wait for the description to generate. But it will make more sense for us to get a subreddit that is around Chicago, basically, or else it wouldn't make sense. Because Logan Square is in Chicago. It's a neighborhood in Chicago, I think. So we have a little story here, how we basically end it with, if you're in Chicago need emergency plumbing, I generally recommend happy to share the number if anybody needs it. Basically a few stories here of a plumbing situation. We can adjust that if we want. We can rewrite it, or if we're happy with it, we can go along with it. And now we're going to ask AI to generate some subreddits for us. And as you can see, we have some Chicago-based subreddits. And along with that, we have some plumbing, home improvement. I think Logan Square would make the most sense out of this because we're based in Logan Square and we want to advertise our plumbing services there. So the Logan Square community probably has 12,000 members and it doesn't have any flares. So now we have our DM template set up and our manual DM queue. We can probably run auto DM for this. Not a lot of people, so it's not going to be a lot of DMs going out. Maybe it might just be a lot of people. You never know in these niche communities. But we can have some DM delays in between DMs. Like 15 minutes is pretty good, I think. It's not a lot. Even 5 minutes is good. We can do 5 minutes. Why not? 5 minutes in between DMs is not bad. Come on. And then we're going to hit create campaign. Again, we're going to go into view posts. Okay. And we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to ask AI to peak post this for tomorrow. We're going to save the schedule here. And now we've got it scheduled for tomorrow. Perfect. Now, this is really, really powerful too for local business, as you can see. It's not just online business. Basically, people searching plumber recommendations Chicago, and Google is really favoring Reddit. So like Reddit posts are basically ranked number one on Google, so they're like on page one. So if Google ranks your post, they're gonna find your post there, and they're gonna comment. You're gonna DM them the contact. Each lead is probably worth $200, $500 to that plumber. Generate 10 leads a month, charge $50 each. That's $500 per month per client. Get 10 plumber clients at $5,000 per month. Now you're cracking the system. You're working in a way that nobody else is working. Nobody doing local business is doing this. They're underestimating the power of Reddit. Everybody's so busy working on their search engine optimization. Why do all of that when you know Reddit is favored by Google and indexed by Google and always at the top of the Google results? So now you're working less harder, and you're basically working smarter than your competition. So really interesting stuff here, guys. And as you can see, there's plenty of use cases here with Reddify AI, and obviously the sky's the limit, as you could see. So now we're gonna move back to Jono, who's gonna talk a little bit about how to make money with Reddify AI in terms of affiliate marketing, as an Amazon affiliate, local business, and basically selling Reddify AI as a service, and all that good stuff.
Okay, thanks, Mahmoud. That was awesome. And we'll be speaking to Mahmoud again in a minute because he's going to talk to you about some of the upgrades that are available. But basically, at the beginning of this video, we talked about how traffic is the lifeblood of any business, be it an affiliate marketer, be it an Amazon affiliate, a local business, a service, somebody who's selling a service. And that's how Reddify can help you out, because if you want to promote affiliate offers, specifically high ticket offers, and that's generally what I focus my time on these days myself, because I come from the background of promoting low ticket offers, and I still do now and again, but I've realized that it takes the same amount of effort to sell a $17 product as it does to sell a $1,700 product, right? So I'd rather spend my time promoting $1,700 products rather than spending my time promoting $17 products. Now, the good thing about Reddify AI, as Mahmoud showed you just before, is we have built-in high-ticket affiliate offers that you can go and get set up straight away. The setup's really easy, as Mahmoud showed you before. And these are inbuilt products that you will get approved for pretty much instantly, and you'll get paid at least $500 per sale. Some of these products pay you upwards of $1,000 per sale, which is really awesome. So all you need to do is just link these two things together. You get the traffic from Reddify AI, or Reddify AI goes out there and gets you all of these leads for you. And remember, these are high intent leads. This is warm traffic, high intent leads. The same type of traffic that you're going to get from places like Facebook ads or YouTube ads. The only difference is you're not having to pay for it, right? So you just connect these two dots. You connect the traffic that you get from Reddify AI to one of the inbuilt high ticket offers, put them together, you're guaranteed to make money. The other thing you can do is sell your own products or services. If you have your own coaching program or your own digital product or your own low ticket funnel that's an ascension funnel goes into a high ticket funnel, whatever it might be, you can use the traffic from Reddify AI to put into those funnels and make money on your own digital products, right? The traffic that you can get from Reddify AI is universal. You can also use this for offline businesses to generate leads. If you wanted to become a lead generation agency and sell those leads to other businesses, you could do that with Reddify AI. If you want to build and monetize an email list, you can definitely do that with Reddify AI. If you have an offline business, you can use Reddify AI to generate local traffic in your local area. Get people coming into your nail shop, get people coming into your saloon, get people coming to your mechanics, get people using your plumbing services. Okay, you can do that with Reddify AI. That's why it's so universal. You can also, and this is a really cool idea. You could set up and run a Reddit marketing agency using Reddify AI. You don't really need to do any work. All you need to do is find the clients that want to be getting traffic from from Reddit, and then use Reddify AI to send that traffic directly to them. And for that service, you can get paid at least $400 to $500 a month and get them on a retainer. Every single month from one client, you're getting $400 to $500. And all you're doing is just pressing a few buttons inside of Reddify AI and switching on the traffic for them. It's easy work. It's almost too easy. So you've got one platform, which is Reddify AI, but you have multiple different income paths. So Mahmoud has already showed you what's inside of the front end of Reddify AI. And now he's going to come back on again and he's going to talk to you about the different upgrades that we have available with Reddify AI and exactly what those upgrades do. So back to you again, Mahmoud.
All right, thank you, Jono. And guys, what an amazing audience you are. Thanks for tuning in to the Reddify AI launch party. Now, let's go through the powerful upgrades that we have for Reddify AI. Now, here's the deal. Reddify AI as a standalone package, just the front end, is super powerful. As I've already shown you guys, you can get a lot of Reddify AI. Okay, you get a lot out of Reddify AI with just the front end. Okay, but the upgrades that we have in store for Reddify AI will make it the most powerful automation tool that you've ever laid your hands on. And I promise you this, that you've never seen something like this before. Okay? To start off, we have the Reddify AI Unlimited package. So I'm just going to show you quickly here the Reddify AI Unlimited upsell. Okay? And the unlimited, what is the unlimited upgrade? Basically, it's you get this little thing up here. And it's not a little thing, it's actually a really big thing. Because this removes every single limit from Reddify AI. Now, you can create unlimited campaigns, train unlimited AI agents, and use all the AI features without any limits or restrictions. And this is pretty self-explanatory, guys, because if you want to use Reddify AI to its fullest potential and you don't want to be limited on how much you can use it, this is the perfect upgrade. Okay? And the next upgrade is Max upgrade, okay, which is valued at $97. And you're all going to get a really good deal on this later, so it's going to all make sense for you if you stay tuned. Okay, and the Max upgrade unlocks advanced Reddit automation tools. The first being a viral template library and a poster. Basically, this library includes a couple of highly proven and highly converting templates that you can post immediately or schedule to post on Reddit just by one click. Basically, they're already done for you inside of that page. Okay. The second thing is the leads finder and replier. Now, here suddenly we're playing on the offense. Okay, guys, we're no longer playing on the defense, posting and waiting for people to comment. Here, we're actually asking Reddify AI to go out and find people talking about our product or talking about a pain point that our product solves, and basically capturing those leads for us. And how does it do that? Well, say for example, I have an empty background remover, okay, and I configure it here. I add my product name, my product URL, my description, the product description, and then I let AI scan for leads targeting this product. Okay, so then Reddify AI goes out to Reddit and scans, looking for people actively asking for solutions that we provide. So, say if somebody posts like looking for a good background remover tool, if that's your product, we find that post, we score that lead, the lead based on intent, and you can reply directly with a helpful comment mentioning your solution. And the features that are included, unbelievable. You can auto reply to those comments. So already we're hands free, guys. We can manage the comment templates that are used for the auto reply feature. We can also enable auto scanning, so we don't have to scan manually for leads. We can now auto scan, we can auto reply. And we have a bunch of filters that we can use for to determine how far we search and where we search and what we're searching. And we can configure those filters for the auto scan if we're going the auto scan route. And we have AI lead scoring, um, basically prioritizing high intent leads that make sense to us. And we have a nice little Google rank checker right here. We can see which posts are ranking higher on Google, so our comments can be in those posts also ranking higher on Google. So we're basically hijacking here Google ranks. So this, we can also export all those leads. We can export them to a web page, share that web page with a business if we're doing agency services. As you can see, Max is crazy. I don't even know how we're offering this at $97. Was $97, I think. It's unbelievable. And the next feature is similar to the Leads Finder, but this goes out and finds relevant posts for your product the same way the Leads Finder does, except here we can instead DM those people. So we're sending DM messages, okay? And we can ask AI to follow up with those DMs. So if those people reply back to our DMs, they will appear over here in the DM conversations page, and we can ask AI to follow up with them. So really powerful features here, guys. And the next upgrade we have is the agency upgrade. The agency upgrade is available over here, and as you can see, you can create up to 100 client accounts under your brand here, under your name, basically on Reddify AI. And you can basically turn Reddify AI into a service business. And each client gets their own workspace, their own accounts. You can log in directly to the client accounts and manage their campaigns directly, so they don't have to log into their accounts. You can manage all your clients here, and log into each client's account and manage their campaigns. You also get a custom sales page that you can personalize and use to sell access to your agency services, if that's so pretty self-explanatory. And it's a really nice little dashboard. You can manage here your clients here. You can suspend clients, delete clients, change their passwords, log into each client account. You can charge clients $500 to $2,000 per month to manage their Reddit marketing. One client could cover or potentially make you much more than what you're paying today. And there's a lot of potential for agency income on Reddify AI. So a really, really good upgrade here, guys. The next upgrade we have is the reseller upgrade. So if you want to bank in on the Reddify AI hype, and you want to promote Reddify AI, you want to promote our product, well, guess what? You get paid 100% of all of this. So plus Reddify AI. So Reddify AI alone is $37. You have the unlimited 67, the max the 97s for agency as well, and the reseller which is 97, and you can promote all of this, the entire funnel, and get 100% commission on each sale you make. So basically selling Reddify AI as your own platform, and you keep every penny made from that sale. That's what the reseller upgrade is. So you basically get a reseller license and access to a nice little reseller panel here with demo videos, and you get access to proven high converting swipes and headlines you can use for your campaigns, and some key selling points. Basically, all sales material needed is provided for you within the reseller panel. So also, really, really good stuff here. Everything's done for you. You get the angles that are converting the best. You get done for you marketing materials, 100% commissions on the entire funnel. You promote Reddify AI as your own product. You keep every dollar. One sale pays for the license, guys. And one sale pays for the license. Depends on what sale is made. But if the entire funnel is sold, guys, you've made much more than that. So keep that in mind. So that is basically all for the upgrades within Reddify AI. I'm gonna turn it back to Jono now, and he's gonna show you or present to you not only the bonuses and the gifts that you're getting here, but also a really, really good deal on Reddify AI that you won't see anywhere else.
All right, thanks again for that, Mahmoud. Now I want to talk to you about the bundle deal that we have exclusively for you guys watching this video right now. And yes, I'm going to be giving you a massive discount as well. So the bundle deal includes a complete automated traffic plus sales system with no limits. You saw on the front end, you're limited by the amount of credits that you have. You have max viral templates and the leads finder. You've got agency compatibility, you have high ticket commissions, you have 100% reseller rights, and you also get priority support. So included in the bundle, you're getting Reddify AI Unlimited, you're getting Reddify AI Max, you're getting Reddify AI Agency, and you're also getting Reddify AI Reseller. Now, as you can see here, Reddify AI Unlimited is worth $67. Reddify AI Max is selling for $97. Reddify AI Agency is $97. Reddify AI Reseller is also $97. Combined, that's $395. But for you guys on the call right now, I'm going to give you this discount code. Okay, it's just Reddify. Okay, very difficult to guess, I know. But the discount code is Reddify, and that's going to give you a $50 discount on this Infinity bundle. So it'll take the price down from $395 down to just $317 instead. Okay? And you're getting all of these upgrades at one low price. Okay? That is pretty awesome. Now, included in this Infinity bundle, we're also going to give you access to bonus software that is worth over $1,000. This is going to include Nano Banana Image Generator plus Editor. Okay, you're also going to get BioLink SaaS. You're also going to get SMM Matrix, and you're also going to get Ultimate SMS, and you're also going to get Multi SaaS. Now, let me explain what these things do one by one. Okay, so and by the way, all of these will be delivered inside of the members area. So you can go and find them as soon as you've logged into Reddify AI. So you're going to get BioLinks SaaS, which is a BioLinks and URL shortener. It is valued at $297. That's this one here. Okay, what it basically does is it allows you to put your own link in bio platform to sell or give away as a lead magnet. Perfect for promoting on Reddit using Reddify AI. You also get white label rights included. You can rebrand it. You can sell subscriptions, or you can use it to capture leads. So basically, on Instagram or even on Reddit, if your call to action is click on the link in the bio, what you can do then is use this link shortener to put your affiliate link in the bio of your Reddit, but it actually shortens the link. Okay, it's different from Bitly, it's different from any of those ones. It's a custom made one, so it's not going to get flagged by Reddit or Instagram or TikTok. So it's a custom URL shortener. It's worth $297. You're getting it completely for free. Okay, the next bonus is the SMM Matrix Social Media Management Suite. This is also valued at $297, and this is a complete social media management tool that you can resell or offer as a lead magnet. It's high demand in business and marketing subreddits. You can use Reddify AI to drive traffic, capture leads, and build a customer base, or flip it for instant profit. Okay, bonus number 3. This is Ultimate SMS. This is a bulk SMS marketing platform, again, valued at $297. And it basically allows you to own your own SMS marketing platform with white label rights. So you can sell it to a local business, or you can sell it to agencies or marketers, or you can give it away to build your email list. Okay, this again is going to be delivered inside of the members area of Reddify AI. You're also going to get multi-SaaS, this bonus right here. And this is a multi-tenant website builder valued at, again, $297, a full website builder platform that you can rebrand and sell. Perfect for targeting freelancers, agencies, and indie hackers on Reddit. You can use Reddify AI to generate leads and then convert them into paying customers using this website builder. So you can use this as a lead magnet. You can sell it. It's completely up to you. You have full license rights to do whatever you want with that. So combined, these special bonuses that are only available to you guys watching this video right now have a combined value of over $1,000. So it's another reason to pick up Reddify AI from this launch party right now. Remember that you are able to pick it up and get a $50 discount when you use the discount code Reddify. This will be on the checkout page. So if you click down below, it will take you through to the checkout page, and then there'll be an area on that checkout page where it says coupon code. If you copy and paste in, or you just type in Reddify, Reddify, then it will instantly discount it. It will give you a $50 discount. It will bring the price down from $395 to just $317. Okay, so we're going to choose from the list of attendees who we're going to give away 2 free copies of Reddify AI 2. We will be notifying you via email if you want a free copy. So stay tuned to your inbox in the next 5 minutes. These emails are going to be sent out to you, 2 lucky winners. So congratulations for you winning a free copy of Reddify AI. And just looking at the time, I believe the cart is about to go live in a couple more seconds more. So as soon as it goes live, you'll be able to click on the link down below. You'll be able to go and grab this huge bundle. Get your hands on Reddify AI Unlimited, Reddify AI Max, Reddify AI Agency, and also Reddify AI Reseller for the low price of just $317. Make sure that you are going to use this discount code. And basically, I'm looking forward to seeing you crush it on Reddit using Reddify AI and all of these new tools that you have at your disposal, whether you choose to go down the reseller route or the agency route and set this up for clients, or you're going to resell Reddify and make a ton of money that way, or you're going to use Reddify AI yourself for your own entrepreneurial business or your own affiliate marketing business. I hope you crush it like we have been doing using Reddify AI, getting a ton of free, good quality, intent traffic to our high ticket offers and making a bunch of money. So the cart is now live. Go ahead, click down below, use that coupon, and we will see you inside the members area. Thank you so much for joining this launch party and seeing what we have for you. See you somewhere on the internet. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.